Hi, welcome to Tales in Stone, analysing the design and execution of Roman Mosaic series. Each video here, we're looking closer at a different mosaic, examining its design, execution, and historical context, seeing more from the point of view of how the original mosaicist worked and what we can learn from that. So this one is a horse mosaic it's currently in Trier Museum in Germany. It's horse being stalked by they're saying a lion. Now, not sure about that, but let's take a little closer look at that later. So, first thing that struck me about this was the perspective. Now, it's done well enough that to me, at first glance, it looks like the front of the horse, the head and the shoulders, the front of the torso is actually closer to the viewer. On closer examination, I would say the hindquarters could have been just fractionally smaller, which would have added to the effect. But I do see from me straight away your eyes drawn into the horse itself, the head of the horse itself. Now, this is the museum has its hunted by a lion, but if you look at this, is it a hunting dog? Because you look at the black tesserae there, is that a collar? Is that collar with spikes on the way that they've done? You've got those sort of individual black tesserae used in there. I think that could be it. I mean, obviously a lot of fine details in here. You look at the sort of way those black lines have been used as a shadow underneath there. Look at the way the eye's been done. I mean, they've cut some sort of really small in there. And like I say, it's on a lot of other things. Get any figures, you have to get the eye right, but I'm not sure. That to me, I think looks like a hunting dog. Borderline. Now, as I always say, when you're looking at these rules, how the rules are applied, look at where they are, but also look at where they aren't. Now, this is the tree. So starting on the left, you can see how the borderline doesn't curl round, that it isn't curled round each of the ends of the branches. It takes too long, it's more work, and you are in danger of, I sort of refer to them as bubbles where the white tesserae go around. Same in the center image there. You can see, you can see in the center image there is that borderline there. That's quite distinct. But just about all the other areas, there is no borderline. They've just blended. They've had the background tesserae run straight into into the branches. Right-hand side, last one there at the top, the branch, you can see again, the background tesserae runs straight into the branches. There's no borderline used. And down the bottom, the tail of or whatever it is, you can see that again, the opportunity to use a borderline, which they have underneath, but on the top, the lines have just come straight down into it. The horse, obviously, it's very well done, and it's a fantastic little exercise in using sort of figure work, using small tesserae to get these details in. And if you want to really sort of learn from it, you're asking those two questions again: where's the line? What are they trying to show? So, where do the lines start and end? On the individual areas, you look at the dark red ones, you look under the jaw. That's an easy way to see. And also you could say, what are they trying to show? So those dark red and the top, its head, the line of the jaw, it's showing the line of the jaw. And then you can go around and you can see how the other lines, they actually show up the musculature of the horse. So there you have it. Lovely little piece in there. I definitely say I would say that's a hunting dog on there. The colours are lovely. It's unusual to be use of green in there, but it works. So that's the horse mosaic from Trier Museum. And if you want to learn more about these sort of principles and rules, these are two of the publications that I have out. The one on the right, Guide to the Principles and Rules Used in Roman Mosaics. That's standard text for me now that I teach from, and you'll be able to find links to that. Thanks very much.